Hello, civil engineers. Today I'm going to talk about a very important topic because even if you design your structure, no matter how good you are, at the end of the day, uh, one of the most important thing that is going to determine your success is the way you present your work and besides that, the way you print your work, because when you print is what you're going to present, okay, to whoever your client is, whether he's an architecture, whether he's a structural is a just a client, you know, whether he's a foreman. So how you printing is very important, and is a topic that personally I learned the hard way. I went to many videos, but I did not find exactly what I want. So first of all, I show you something. So first of all, I'm going to put something that nobody will tell you, but okay. So I want to print this. So first of all, if I have a template, I need to use the template. I will go from a template. So you right click here. So you can use layer 1. First escape it. You can use layer 1 if you wish, but you can see that delete this. You can see layer 1 is empty. Okay, so if you want to create your own template, well and good, but if you have another template already, you can just print here. So what you just need to do is to you pick the rectangle and then drag, and then you can see if I double click outside this table, this rectangle, you can see I can be able to expand and view. But if I click inside, what is changing is the diagram itself. So what you need to do is to come and move like that, escape it. But if you want it to fill your space, you just need to click there, okay, and then click outside again, and then so if you want to import a template, you can just come here and right click, and then from a template, then I will go to let's say I will go to desktop. So I can go to D. There is some template that I acquired online, but at the end of the day I found it was not much help, but it will still be helpful for me here. So let me just use it, even though I would wish really to avoid, because it only added troubles. Okay. I want DWG format. That was the problem. You need to select DWG. So this they call, whichever they call, Stonebridge or whatever. So I open and then just sheet 1. So this is the template. So for me, I don't want these colors, so I just click, then properties, and then I can just come black and white, then I just need to go to let me show you. Just click here. It's a logo, actually it's a logo, that's why I can't edit. But for all these, I can just remove this logo. Let me go back. I deleted something I didn't want. So I only need to delete the logo, this logo. Then I can write. I can just come here, text, and then I pick multi from here to here, and then I can write Nairobi. Can write, okay, going there, Nairobi farm. So I don't know why it is behaving like that. So let me escape first. I need to pick Nairobi consultants farm. Okay, so here it is. Okay, so what I need to do, I'll come to my annotative, then I'll come here, and then I will manage styles. So I can add new area, and then okay, so area and then bold. That's how we do it. So I come select these properties, and it's already area bold. So I'm going to change the text height to 400. Okay, so I edited twice. I can delete the first one, then properties, and change it to 5. So because now I know the text is too big, so I can move this, move it here. Then I will click on this. I don't know if this is also a logo. Go to properties, I put by block, then it's still a logo, so I can't really do anything. See, so I will simply go to my layout and then pick rectangle, then from here to there. Then of course I need it to fill, so it has already filled, so I click outside. So need to fill the space inside and click outside. Then now it is like that, and then I can now go to print. Okay, so no problem there, just click OK. Now DWG to PDF, then I choose here ISO A1, then monochrome, and then uncheck this. Make sure you uncheck this. Plot to object lightweight. Then check this center to the plot. Check this fit to the paper, and then make sure yes it's Windows. Then just drag from here to there, then apply to layout, then you can preview. Then okay, from there you can print. Just print. I save it to my document. Either way it will open automatically after it's done. So you can see it was open. So the other important thing I wanted to show you is, make sure if you just type PDF SHX, make sure the value is 0, then enter, then confirm SHX. So it is 0 before you print. That is very important, because if you see some layers are like shining, so that is basically the value there is more than 0. So that is how you go about it. Now you can print. Just change your name to so that's how you do go about printing AutoCAD. So thank you, don't forget to subscribe to my channel.